Kirtika Singla. Hello everyone, my name is Kirtika Singla and I am Master in Mathematics and Computing. In this demo class, I am going to explain you a trigonometric identities problem of grade 10, and during the solution of this during the solution of this problem, I am going to explain you the concept also used in this question. So let's see what is the question. If sine theta plus sine square theta plus sine cube theta is 1, then you have to prove that cos 6 theta minus 4 cos 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta is equals to 4. Now, before solving any of the trigonometric question, it is very important to analyze the question, that what is given to you and what you need to prove, right? So during here in this question, you can see that what you need to prove, all the things are given in the trigonometric function of cos theta, but the thing what is given to you is having the trigonometric function, that is sine theta. Means to prove this thing, you have to convert your given problem into the form of the cos theta function. Like you have given, we have sine theta plus sine square theta plus sine cube theta is equals to 1. And what you need to do, we have to convert this sine theta trigonometric function in any of the way in the form of cos theta function, so that we can easily reach to this function, this left hand side, and right hand side is equals to 4. And how we are going to do, let's see that. So this is given to you, right? And in this given condition, you can see the function in the form sine theta, sine square theta, and sine cube theta. And we know the trigonometric functions, and from one of the trigonometric function identity, we know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. If you want to prove this, you can also prove this one using a right angle triangle. Like for this right angle triangle ABC, suppose we have the right angle at C, and this is your angle theta, this is your perpendicular, this is your base, and this will be your hypotenuse. So what will be the sine theta? Sine theta has the rule to learn this trigonometric ratios, that PB, HHB. P upon H is for sine theta, B upon H is for cos theta, and P upon B is for tan theta. So sine theta will be P upon H whole square, cos theta will be B upon H whole square. This will be the left hand side. We have to prove cos square theta. This left hand side is equals to right hand side, which is equals to 1. So we can easily prove, we can take the LCM H square, P square plus B square. And what is the P square plus B square? That is H square using your Pythagoras. So H square is equals to 1, which is equals to right hand side. We prove this trigonometric identity. That means we can use sine square theta cos square theta is equals to 1. Why we need to use it? Because we know if we put sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta, then one of our function in the given problem can be converted into cos form. So we can write it sine theta plus, it will be like sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. We can write this form, this equation in this form as well. So it will be sine square theta here in this, let's give it equation number 1, and we can write it put in equation 1. So sine theta plus 1 minus cos square theta plus sine cube theta is equals to 1. Now if you can see now if you can see here, we get sine theta plus 1 minus cos square theta plus sine cube theta is equals to 1. We can take this one right hand side, so it will become 0. Let's take cos as well, because we already converted it. So it will be 1 minus 1 plus cos square theta. 1 से 1 cancel and we get sine theta plus sine square theta is equals to cos square theta. Now, if you can see, we don't have any formula of sine angle sine theta which can be written in the form of cos. So, what we can do here, we can take sine theta common first of all. Just a second. Here we have sine cube theta. From this sine cube theta, we get 1 plus sine square theta is equals to cos square theta, right? Now we can easily put this sine square theta again from the equation 1. We can easily put this sine square theta 1 minus cos square theta. So you can easily write it sine theta 1 plus 1 minus cos square theta is equals to cos square theta. Now only we left with this sine function to be converted into the cos form. So what we can do, we have the formula of sine square theta. We have the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, right? Sine square theta is equals to cos square theta. So how we can convert this sine theta into sine square theta so that we can put it as 1 minus cos square theta? Yes, we can do the squaring on both of sides. Squaring both sides, we get sine square theta 2 minus cos square theta का whole square is equals to cos 4 theta. If you can see above, we are reaching to our destination. We have in our proof we have cos 4 theta cos square theta, and we are easily reaching to this point. Yes. Now what we can do, sine square theta, we will whole square this. What is a minus b whole square? We have a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it will be a square 2 square plus cos square cos 2 square theta ka square cos 4 square minus 2ab 4 cos square theta is equals to cos 4 theta, and let's multiply sine square theta to whole equation. We get 4 sine square theta plus sine square so sorry let we need to convert it now. We need to convert sine square theta to cos square theta. That's why we did the square. So let's write it sine square theta 1 minus cos square theta and 4 plus cos 4 theta minus 4 cos square theta is equals to cos 4 theta. Equation becomes quite large, but we can easily solve it. Be careful during this calculation because it will become quite complex. Multiply 1 with the complete equation, you will get the complete equation. Now multiply minus cos square theta with the complete equation. You will get minus 4 cos square theta minus cos 6 theta. Why? Because cos square theta into cos 4 theta, base same, powers will be added. So that will be your minus cos 6 theta. Minus minus plus. Now 4 cos 4 theta is equals to cos 4 theta. Now you have to solve this one. If you can see cos 4 theta, 4 cos theta, it will be 5 cos 4 theta. And in the right hand side, you have 1 cos 4 theta, and you can take it left hand side, it will become minus. So it will be 5 cos 4 theta minus cos 4 theta. Now what we left with? We left with minus cos 6 theta and minus minus plus minus 8 cos square theta. 4 we can take right hand side, that is minus 4. It will become 4 cos 4 theta minus cos 6 theta minus 8 square theta minus 4. Let's multiply minus on both of sides. Multiply with minus on both sides. So it will become minus, complete this multiplication minus this. So it will minus minus plus minus minus plus, and here you will get minus sign. 8 cos square theta plus cos 6 theta minus 4 cos 4 theta is equals to 4. This will be your answer. This you need to prove, and you can write here hence proved. Let me show you also. You can see cos 6 theta minus 4 cos 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta is equals to 4. You need to prove. Always while solving this trigonometric identities problem, be careful that what is given to you and what you need to prove. You always try to change your given condition in the form of the proof condition. Then in the journey of solving it, you will use some identities, ratios, functions, and you will reach your proof point. And that's it. We discussed trigonometric problem, and we'll see you again. Thank you very much.